This time I'm going to show you the Aiper Seagull Pro, and this is a cordless robotic pool cleaner. And the Seagull Pro has a 9000 mAh battery, and this should give you about 3 hours of cleaning time. And included is the owner's manual. You also have this retrieval hook that connects to a standard telescoping pool pole. And also included is the charger for the cleaner, and it should take about 90 minutes to fully charge the Seagull Pro. And on top is this dial, and you can set the cleaner to clean the floors only, the floors and walls, or the floors, walls, and water line. And each time you turn the dial clockwise, the cleaning mode you selected will light up, and this is how you know which mode you're in. Another nice feature is that the color on top will indicate how charged up the battery is. When it's green, that means that it's pretty much fully charged. It's got 90% to 100%. Then when it turns blue, it has 50 to 80%. When it turns yellow, it has 10 to 49%. And when it's red, it has less than 10% battery life. And on the back is a filter canister or debris canister. And it's actually a pretty good size debris canister. And on the side here is the charging port. And of course you want to make sure you have this closed when you put it in the pool. It has these nice wheels on the sides, and these tire treads feel like they're going to grip the wall really good. And on the front are these scrubbing brushes, and this is where the cleaner picks up all the dirt and debris and pulls it into the filter canister. And on the bottom is this really large debris opening, so this cleaner should pick up large debris with no problem. The only issue I had with this cleaner is that it did get hung up on my main drain. I have a main drain that's flat in the center of the pool, and the cleaner, you can see here, when it gets over it like that, the wheels can't touch the ground, so it can't get off. This happened twice, and I just had to simply push it off with my pool pole. And unlike the first version that would get stuck in my steps, this one seemed to do really well on the step area of the pool. It didn't get hung up at all in my test pool. And I tested it in another pool, and it had no problem navigating the step area. And the recommended pool size for this cleaner is 3,200 square feet, which I think is kind of misleading. I would say that this cleaner is suitable for a 15,000 gallon or less pool. I don't think I would use it in anything larger than a medium pool or a small pool. Okay, let me show you the debris that I picked up here at this pool. As you can see, it does a great job with leaf debris as well as dirt. And according to the manufacturer, the filter canister is rated for 180 microns, so it's not going to get the really fine dirt. So that's a look at the Aiper Seagull Pro. I think it's a pretty good cordless robotic pool cleaner. Has a lot of nice features, is really well built, and it does clean the pool really well. If you don't have any flat main drains, I think this would be a pretty good choice for a robotic pool cleaner. I like the close to 3-hour runtime, and the cleaning pattern is really effective with this cleaner. And I really like the fact that it takes only 90 minutes to fully charge the cleaner. So if you need to use it more than once per day, you can easily do that with this cleaner. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.